Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. And sorry, I apologize for disturbance on the background because there is a construction going on nearby. As a result, there may be some disturbances. Please do not mind. So let's look at the chart of USD CAD here. This is the 4 hours chart of USD CAD and the last traded price was 1.2891. This is the last traded price. And if you look at the chart of USD CAD here, then there should not be any doubt that this market is extremely bullish right now. If you look at the overall chart of USD CAD, very bullish market. In simple words, this is a buyer's market. Okay, and there was an extreme buying on USD CAD during the last trading session when DXY all of it started going upward. Okay, not all of a sudden actually. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it very well that we have a very strong support on the US dollar chart at 95.80 to 95.50 level. We have a very strong support. So when US dollar DXY came down to the support level and bounced, USD CAD also became extremely bullish, and there was heavy buying on USD CAD. Yeah. But if you observe the chart of DXY here, then you can easily see that DXY is standing at resistance. It closed at a resistance. As we all know, resistance is a place of sellers. But if you observe the particular portion of the chart here, then there was no selling on the market. Market was extremely bullish. And if we consider the overall trend of DXY here, there is no doubt that DXY is also bullish. It means that buyer's market, this is the buyer's market, buyers are dominating this market, and as a result there is a good possibility of DXY breaking the resistance and going up, considering the overall trend of the market, considering the present bullishness in the market. And if DXY breaks the resistance and starts going up, then definitely we will also see buying on the chart of USD CAD. Clear? And on the other hand, if DXY during the weekend, if the chart loses the support of the buyers, the bulls, and if DXY starts going down after the market opening on Monday, then there may be some profit booking on the chart of USD CAD as well. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY or US dollar on Monday. Clear? Now let's look at the trading opportunities on USD CAD. First of all, market is bullish, and as we all know, trend is our friend. The thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And this market is in uptrend, so the safest trading opportunities are on the buy side only. But as I just said, the DXY is standing at resistance and USD CAD is also standing at resistance here. Why resistance? Let me zoom out the chart here. See, if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that when market previously in the month of August and in the month of September, when market was very bullish, okay, market reversed from this particular level. So 1.2900 and 1.2950. This is a very strong sellers zone in the market. Sellers, the strong sellers are very strong sellers are present in this level. And couple of days also ago, when market went up, market could not cross the level. So right now market is standing at the same resistance level. So considering the previous selling pressure in this level, there is a possibility that market will be facing same selling pressure again, because whenever market has moved up, market was also extreme bullish. And just try to understand the market psychology here. The sellers, just try to imagine the power of the sellers sitting in this level, and therefore there is a good possibility that market will be reversing from here. So in case DXY loses the power, and there is a good possibility that USD CAD will be facing selling pressure in this level, and we may see some selling. So if you want to take a sell position going against the trend of the market, you can take a sell position as well, but you must be very careful because trend is not in your favor. Beginners, new traders, you can avoid this trade if you don't know, if you are extremely new to the market. Experienced traders, you can take this opportunity if you have been trading for some time, if you know how to manage the risk well, because in this matter, okay, managing the risk will be very crucial for you. Okay, so the first trading opportunity is if market reverses from the resistance zone here, then we can take a sell position considering the previous history of this level. That's it. Okay, but if you do not want to take a sell position here, then obviously you can leave it, and in case market breaks the level, okay, let's consider DXY gets extremely bullish, USD CAD also gets extremely bullish, and if it breaks the level, then there will be buying as well. And if you are looking for a safe buy level, then I'll say you to avoid buying at this level. Okay, only go for a buy above 1.2950. Only buy above this level. Why we should wait? Because see, if you buy here, okay, if you buy here, try to understand my point here. If you buy in the middle, then you do not have any proper support here, you do not have any proper logic to take any buy here. You are just buying because market is going up. That is very risky. The risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. But once market crosses the level of 1.2950, once market crosses this level and stays above it, then you'll get the confirmation that at last this strong resistance of 1.2950 is a support now, because resistances become support in the market and support becomes resistances in the market. So once market crosses the level of 1.2950 and stays above it, this level will be the new support and we can take a buy, and then the risk to reward ratio will be in your favor. How? Because you will be taking trade at the support. Okay, if you think that these are things are very complicated here, then please watch the video again. This is very important because following the proper discipline is extremely important for every trader. And on the other hand, if market comes down, then you can see we have a Fibonacci retracement level at and also we have a minor support here. So in case market comes down, then we have a good possibility of market bouncing from 1.2770 to 1.2760 level. So in case market comes down, then there is a good possibility of market bouncing from this level as well. So these are the trading opportunities for us right now on the chart of USD CAD. If market reverses from the resistance zone, you can take a sell position, follow proper risk management. Beginners, new traders can avoid completely. In case it breaks the level of 1.2950 and stays above it, you can go for a buy, because the previous not previous, the resistance will be the new support. And in case market comes down and tests the level of 1.2770 to 1.2760, we can take a buy, because this is a support plus Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Ha! So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care. See ya on Monday.